Okay, students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. And this topic is included in your unit number 5 on page 48. So, present perfect continuous tense is an aspect of the present tense. What is an aspect? It shows continuation or completion of an action. So continuation, all the progressive tenses are the aspects which shows continuation. All the perfect tenses are the aspects which show completion. Okay, so aspects show continuation or completion. Now this is perfect and continuous, so it will shows perfection, and as well as continuation, as the title shows, perfection plus continuation, these two things it will show, and we will clarify this later on in the example. And why this tense is used? So for an action which started in the past and still going on, we use present perfect continuous tense for such an action which started in the past and continued till present, and at the present still is in progress. So for such an action we use present perfect continuous tense. The uses of tenses are very important. Most of the time students know the rules of tenses, how to make its sentences, which form of verb will be used, which helping verb will be used, which form of verb, which helping verb will be used with singular subject, which will be used with plural subject, etc., etc. But if you ask them that what is the use of this particular tense, what is the use of past indefinite tense or future perfect continuous tense, so then they get confused. That is why I included this, that this tense is used for such an action which started in the past and is still going on. And here in the diagram I have showed it to you. Suppose any action started in 2012. Suppose teaching, because I have given you the example of teaching here. So let us take this example. He has been teaching us English since 2012. Okay, so this action of teaching started in 2012. Okay, now it is 2020. You are here. Okay, here you are. So this action continued till this point, and the action is not yet completed. He hasn't stopped teaching. He is still teaching English in that particular institution. Okay, so this dot dot shows that the action is in progress in future as well, but this time is not yet occurred. That is why it has been shown in dot dot dot. So this action started in 2012, came to the present, and will still continue. So for such an action you use present perfect continuous tense. Now let us come to the rules, that how we can form its sentences. So in any tense there are two main things which are very important. If you learn those two things, then you can form sentences of that particular tense. The first one is helping verb. You have to ask a question, that which helping verb is used and which main verb, which form of main verb is used. So if you know these two things, you know the whole tense. So in this tense, has been and have been are used as helping verb. Has been is used with singular subject and with he, she, it, and have been is used with plural subject and I, we, you, they, etc. And ing form of the main verb is used. Okay, there are two other things which are not in other tenses, which can be found only in perfect continuous tenses, that is since and for, and students gets confused in these two. So since is used for exact time, for point in time, when the date is known to you, when the particular time in the watch is known to you, like 9 a.m., 4 p.m., 5 July 2019, etc., etc. Then you have to use since. If not, if there is just a period of time like 10 years, 5 years, 5 minutes, 5 days, etc., then you have to use far. So these two, they show time. Here I have given you this one example. You can find other example as well. He has been teaching us English since 2012. So the action of teaching started in 2012 and is still in progress. That is why you use present perfect continuous tense. So I hope that this topic is pretty much clear. If you are having confusion, you can ask me in my WhatsApp. Okay, there is an assignment for you. Write at least 20 sentences of present perfect continuous tense and send them to me. Thank you very much.